Aber richtig weggeballert. Da hau ich mir einen guten Aperol-Spritz rein und dann geht's wieder weg und dann geht's auf die Piste. Trash. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my broccoli earrings. Do you see them? Today I look like a crazy person. If I have lipstick on my teeth, just, you know, because it will happen a lot of times. Guys, today we're gonna be doing stuff to my hair again. And I actually had very amazing plans today. I'm also wearing a hat because I kind of want to show you what I filmed already, which is the process of me trying to bleach my hair and get rid of the blue hair dye in my hair. Because if you may know, I still had a lot of blue hair dye in my hair. But for this video, I wanted to get it out and I bleached it a lot. So here's how that went. Time to bleach my hair. Hello. You alright, babes? I certainly am not alright, babes. Because I know I have to bleach my hair now. I don't think I ever had roots this intense in my whole life. I kind of do not want to bleach my hair, but I kind of do. And then after we applied everything on the roots and we let it soak in for a little bit, I'm gonna apply teeny tiny little bit of bleach to the length of my hair so we get some of the blue out. We'll try our best. If we don't succeed, we're gonna cry. We have to succeed. I don't want to cry today. As always, I look absolutely flawless, fabulous, beautiful. This look is like my lowest look of all of them. Like the hair bleaching look, I always look ferocious, fricadocious. So I mixed a lot of bleach for not a lot of hair. I kind of hate bleaching my own hair because I feel like I just can't do it properly because I'm a Sagittarius. All right, so I have now mixed in the Olaplex. Might be a bit thin actually. What the fuck? Oh, it's way too thin. So stupid. Oh, I got it all on my face already. How fun it is to be alive. My face is turning so red. Why is my face so red?
Did you just bleach your tattoo?
Yeah. Do you know what? I'm actually getting really dizzy. Like my head's like all blurry. Es klitzt noch alles an meinem Nacken, du Spacken. Now, let me get into the length of my hair.
Already?
Yeah. Oh my god, my hair is blazing fucking hot! I also mixed a new mixture with a softer developer. This is only a developer 2.7%. The other one was 6%. I think it's in my eye. Like it's burning properly. My hair looks more blue than before. A song while we are bleaching my hair. It burns a lot, but I don't care. There's bleaching powder in the air. Because this is the Bleaching Root Edge soundtrack. Yeah, I'm gonna wash out my hair now and just hope that my hair is gonna be beautiful, not patchy, not spotty. Okay, everyone, this is what my hair looks like now. I think it's actually not bad. It lifted a little bit, the blue. It's still not enough. We need to go a little bit further. So I prepared kind of a bleach wash slash normal bleach. I didn't put a lot of developer in there. I mostly put water and shampoo in there. So yeah, we're just gonna do a very quick round because I don't want to kill my hair even more than I already did it. Oh my god. I literally cannot open my eye. It's burning so much. I kind of like this look. Imagine like a yellow and fading into blue. It's kind of cool, but like the fading would have to be like
immaculate.
Immaculatus. Do you guys think I'll still have hair after this?
Comment down below.
Alright guys, I just washed my hair again, and to be honest, I don't think this did a lot. Just gonna apply my Olaplex number 2 now, and I'm gonna leave it in for an hour. I'm not gonna do another round of bleach. There's no fucking way. I'm not insane. And honestly, I think it's still very light. I mean, we lifted it a lot, and of course I can't get the blue out like in just one go. Like I know that. Look at my red ears. Oh my Jesus. Naomi with a hat on is gonna show you what she did. So for this Naomi, bleaching Naomi is out. And there we go. This is the result. It's so cute. I also cut my hair on my own. You can even give it. Actually, I ordered something from a website which I wanted to try today. Well, when I unpacked it, I realized it's not the product I ordered, and then I realized the shop scammed me. So yeah, I set myself a completely new challenge today. A challenge which is probably gonna kill me tonight. I still want to try it, and I don't even know if anyone has ever done it before. I couldn't find anything about it. And I will be putting every single hair color onto my head, which I own. I had all the hair colors, but did I have all the hair colors at once? I don't even have bowls for this. Obviously, I do not have that many bowls. So we're just gonna put a little bit of hair dye onto this thing right here. I was thinking we're gonna do half cold colors and the other half warm colors. Blue and green together, and then purple. And we're gonna get a bit darker. Then in the middle, on the back, it's gonna be gray. I don't know, I have to fit the gray somewhere. Then we're gonna get to the warmer red, and then, you know, yellow, orange, pink. Obviously, if I have the same exact color of two different brands, I'm not gonna be using them. But as soon as there's a slight difference in the shades, you know, I have like, for example, actually 5, 6 different purples. So I'm gonna have to be comparing these to each other to find out if they're different in color. I'm gonna do that on this beautiful sheet of kitchen roll paper. I have a lot of Arctic Fox. I mean, the owner of Arctic Fox is kind of controversial. I don't know if the rumors about her are true. Maybe you can fill me in about it. But I have a lot of her hair dye, and just because there are horrible stories about her, I'm obviously not gonna throw away my hair dye. I still want to use it all up. Not gonna be wasteful in this house. Let's see if it all works out the way I have it planned in my head. We're gonna be here for a while. And also, do you think it's gonna look good at the end? I feel like it can't look good. Luckily, you guys don't have to wear it. I have to wear it, so let's get started. We're not even separating my hair. We just want to do it, you know, just like that, because I know we're already gonna spend a lot of time applying the color, so no time for measurements today, no time for separating hair. We're also gonna try a brand new color today, the Bread Mondo X Mondo color. I've never tried it before, and I don't know how to open it. Did I tell you about that one time when a friend of mine got a strawberry body scrub for her birthday, and it was like strawberry flavor, and I literally thought it was edible. So I was telling her, it's edible, you should try it. And she was like, no, you can't eat that. I was like, yes, of course. And then I ate it to show her that you can eat it, and you actually couldn't. It was so fucking disgusting, but I still pretended like it was edible and was like, easy. On the inside I was dying. Then the different pink from Arctic Fox, which looks exactly the same. This orange. Fire? Is fire? Ooh, that's even brighter than this one. I don't think I have to get this out either. And then this maybe? Pastel pink. This is pastel pink. I've never even opened it. I mean, honestly, Directions is not like the best brand ever, but I mean, I own it, so it has to be in the video. That's literally my skin color. Next we have yellow. Then we also have Neon Moon. Actually, this also seems very... And then this, I think that's like very similar. Then we're gonna get to the red. Oh, it is redder. I love this color. All right, everyone. Here is the plan. It doesn't even look like it's that much right now, but I swear it's actually a lot. We're gonna start with blue on the left side. This is gonna be my front strand. Wow. And this is gonna be on the right. Hey! So I start here, you start there, and then we'll just meet here. Who are you smacking?
My dick.
Can I do it too?
Yeah.
I'm applying the pink, I'm applying the pink!
This is so not gonna work out. This is gonna be so chaotic. This is gonna be so horrible. This is not gonna work at all.
I'm really scared about this blue. I literally just spent hours getting rid of the blue in my hair. That is so depressing. Okay, next I'm gonna dip into some, this is my skin color shade. Actually, it's kind of a cool color. Oh no, there's so much pink over here. Oh no, oh no. This is not working at all. I hate it. I hate every single second, every single ounce. Also, Directions suck. This is stressing me out so much right now. Are you not stressed?
No.
I'm so fucking stressed. I'm doing orange already. I cannot see. Guys, I swear to God, I'm maximum stressed out. I don't know how Vincent keeps calm so well. Okay, guys, I'm already doing yellow now. Look, there's like this huge red strand in my yellow area. Red, yellow in your area. I wonder if all the colors are gonna perform the same way, because obviously we have different qualities in the hair dyes. So maybe some of them will actually like wash out horribly and patchy, and the other ones are gonna be gray. My sectioning is so off, Vincent. I'm already doing neon yellow. Everything I'm doing right now is completely shit.
Ich habe hier irgendwie gelb schon und da war da eigentlich und ich habe schon viel weit zu hinten das da genommen.
I'm just gonna have a nice gradient between all of my oranges and yellows because everything is already mushed together very exquisitely. Also, I can't really see because all of the strands are hanging into my eyes. I swear to God, I've never worked like this before under these circumstances and under this amount of stress. I'm also very hungry and I just feel like I'm about to break down right now. Oh God, oh God. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm so scared of this color right now. What do I do now? Now I have to hold it for forever. But I also don't want to be useless to society, so I'm gonna keep going. Oh, yeah, that looks like it's edible, actually. I want to eat it. We got fries. Why are you laughing at my fries? And I just feel like I'm about to break down right now. I'm still very useless right now. I mean, I could try to carry on, but first of all, I'm gonna be the DJ, so I'm gonna make some music. But, how do you like my, all the color that's on my face, guys? Cute, right? How cool ist alles auf mein Game? Okay, Vince, we're gonna play a game now. We have two words and we gotta find the connection between those two words. For example, I say blue and you say purple, and then on 3, we're gonna say another word and that has to be the keyword. And if we get it right, both of us, then we win.
Okay, and what do we win?
Friendship. 3, 2, 1, universe. 3, 2, 1, star sign. 3, 2, 1. Pisces. Ah, we did it. Okay, next one. 3, 2, 1. Hotel.
I swear to God, if you're not saying that.
3, 2, 1.
Pitbull! Why are you saying Pitbull?
Why are you not saying Pitbull? Okay, I think we're done with this game. Oh, die Tür ist ja sperrangelweit offen.
Die Tür ist sperrangelweit offen.
Means the door is wide open. Guess the song, guys. Lick, 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 lick. I wanna eat your
taco! I told you he would eat my fry.
Oh, no. Where's the fry? Did he drop a fry? He didn't drop a fry, but we dropped some dye.
Meine Freunde da und none unless you boring.
Du lehnst zu sehr zu mir. Du musst in die andere Richtung.
So?
Nein, lehnen mit deinem Kopf. Nein, in die andere Richtung. Nach hier lehnen. Dein Kopf nur tilten. Was?
So?
Ja.
By the way, there's a reason why I'm not applying any black on my hair. The black is empty. Guys, I just want to say Vincent is applying the last color, which is this gray. I wanted to show you on my finger. Why do I have gray hair dye? I've never used it before. I wonder how much this gray will show up. Oh, Shakira makes me want to dance. Can't believe it. Yeah, guys, I think it's all in my hair. Okay, let me count how many colors these are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got 20 colors in my hair? That's 10 plus 10. These parts in the front, they are really the richest parts of them all. I love that it's completely dry. I don't even want to know what this is gonna look like. This looks so horrible, like the bright red next to the yellow. I hate it. I guess I will leave this on for a couple of minutes, more minutes. It's really late now, so I'm gonna wash it out later, and then tomorrow you will be seeing this beautifulness or ugliness. See you tomorrow, guys. The next day. All right, guys, are you ready for the reveal? Here's one arm. I'm gonna get into the frame and you're gonna be completely shook. Okay? Alright everyone, here I am once again. I mean, it really reminds me of when I had rainbow hair. Obviously, it's a lot of different colors, but I actually think I like this better. I think this is more rainbow than the other one. Because when I had the rainbow hair, obviously I just had like the same color in order like this. So you could only see like 3 colors at once from the front. But now you can see a lot more colors from the front. So I think this is the real rainbow hair video, guys. Here is my cold side. I didn't straighten my hair in the back. I never do that because I don't see it normally. People who have to look at me from the back, I'm sorry. So here's the back. Is it cool? If we take a look at my warm side, we do see some problems up here. Right there is my red spot, which I accidentally put on there. Also the yellow, of course, didn't show up like super vibrant down here because we all know I still had a blue tint in my hair. But I like the cute little pink bits in the front, super tiny. And I actually really like this dark red color right here. This one, I love it. I don't even know where's the gray. Do you guys see the gray? Do you see it somewhere here? I mean, it has to be here. I really 100% did not think it would turn out this well. Just this really bothers me. Also, I still got some blue dye right here, right there. I just could not get it off. Look at that. Vincent, I know you've seen me a couple of times today, but now you can give your final verdict for my hair.
Ah, there it is. Ooh, that worked really well.
Yeah? Ah. Vincent loves gray. His anatomy. I feel like the directions really got a little patchy here and there. Look guys, there it's patchy right there. That was my review to all the hair dyes, even though this is not even a hair dye review. That was great. Not doing this again. And tomorrow, all of the colors will be faded anyway, so. Alright guys, comment down below how you like my hair. Do you think this was a great experiment? Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on Instagram, Naomijon on TikTok, and the Naomijon on Twitter. I'm gonna do my outro on the cat room. Look, that's the cat container. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Ah! La 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 la.